Hello friends, in my previous video Big Data Analytics Part 1 we have seen the difference between data science, big data and data analytics. In this video I am going to explain what is the big data analytics, big data and data analytics services, big data with 8 V's, data analytics trends, type of big data analytics, advantage and challenges of big data analytics. So, what is big data analytics? Big data analytics is the process of collecting, organizing, and analyzing large set of data called big data to discover patterns and other useful information. This big data is gathered from a wide variety of sources, including social networks, videos, digital images, sensors, and sales transaction records. The aim in analyzing all this data is to uncover patterns and connections that might otherwise be invisible and that might provide valuable insights about the user who created it. Big data analytics can help organizations to better understand the information contained within the data and will also help identify the data that is most important to business and future business decisions. Big data and data analytics services, open source big data analytics solutions, business intelligence dashboards, statistical reporting and visualization, databases, data warehousing and ETL, investigative, targeted and predictive analytics, data science and analytics SMEs in the various tools. Business Intelligence Dashboard is an information management tool that is used to track KPIs, metrics, and other key data points relevant to a business department or a specific process. Open source big data analytics solutions like Hadoop is the most popular big data tool used for analyzing large volume of data. Statistical reporting and visualizations, it involves the creation and study of visual representation of the data. To communicate information clearly and efficiently, the visualization uses statistical graphics, plots, information graphics, and other tools. Databases, warehousing, and ETL. ETL is extract, transform, and load is a process in data warehousing responsible for pulling data out of the source system and placing it into a data warehouse. Data science analytics SMEs in various tools. Those are the backbone of our economy, so therefore it stands to reason that they are in fact the sector which it stands to benefit most from data science. Investigative, targeted, and predictive analytics. Defining the target variable in predictive analytics is one of the preliminary steps in building a model, but it is an not so easy process. Big data with 8 V's: volume, value, veracity, visualization, variety, velocity, viscosity, and virality. So, what are the 8 V's in big data? Volume. Can you define the information you are looking for? The amount of data need to be processed at the given time. Value. Can you find it when you most need it? Whether it is worth to the customer or not. Veracity. Are you dealing with the information or disinformation? Uncertainty in the data which may or may not be trusted. Visualization. Can you make sense at a glance? Once the data is processed, it has to be available in an understandable format. Variety. Is your information balanced? Different forms or types of data like structured or unstructured. Velocity. gains momentum, and crises and opportunities involve in real time how it outlook for today. The challenge of speed, or how fast is the growth of streaming data. Viscosity. Does it stick with you or does it call for action? Virality. Does it convey a message that can be pasted into a presentation? Data analytics trends. Internet of Things (IoT), artificial intelligence (AI), augmented reality, graphic analytics, agile data science, hyper personalization, machine intelligence (MI), behavioral analytics, journey science, and the experience economy. So, Internet of Things (IoT) is an interconnection of several services, networks, technologies, and human resources to achieve common goal. These datasets, along with real-time data, can be analyzed easily and efficiently with data analytics software. Artificial intelligence (AI) is simplified when you can prepare data for analysis, develop models with modern machine learning algorithms, and integrate text analytics in one product. Augmented reality, the future of business intelligence. Using augmented reality, data insights can be automated with the help of machine learning and natural language generation. Graph analytics. Graph algorithms or graph analytic tool used to determine strength and direction of relationship between objects in the graph. Agile data science is an approach to data science centered around web application development. Hyper personalization. Personalization is the incorporation of personal and transactional information to your communication. Hyper personalization goes to a step further and utilizes behavioral and real time data to create highly contextual communication that is relevant to the user. Machine intelligence (MI) can be defined as the practice of using algorithms to user data, learn from it, and then forecast future trends for the topic. Behavioral analytics is an area of data analytics that focuses on providing insights into the action of people. Behavioral analytics is used in e-commerce, gaming, social media, and other applications to identify opportunity to optimize in order to realize specific business outcomes. Journey sciences. This movement will change the way in which we analyze data. We bringing an intelligent, holistic, and data assets to hands of analysts. The experience economy. Through the use of data analytics, a business can be extract insights that will offer marketing and sales the ability to analyze and understand how customers are tapping into the network, which applications being used, and from which device to help them to deliver more approaches to marketing and sales. Type of big data analytics: descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics answers the questions of what happened. For instance, a healthcare provider will learn how many patients were hospitalized last month, a retailer, the average weekly sales volume, a manufacturer, a rare of products written for the past month, etc. Let us also bring an example from our practice. A manufacturer was able to decide on focus categories based on the analysis of revenue, monthly revenue per product group, income by product group, total quality of metal parts produced per month. Descriptive analytics juggles raw data from multiple data sources to give valuable insights into the past. However, these findings simply signal that something is wrong or right without explaining why. For this reason, highly data driven companies do not content themselves with the descriptive analytics only and prefer combining it with the other type of data analytics. Diagnostic analytics. At this stage, historical data can be measured against other data to answer the question of why something happened. Thanks to diagnostic analytics, there is a possibility to drill down to find out dependencies and to identify patterns. Companies go for diagnostic analytics as it gives in-depth insights into a particular problem. At the same time, a company should have detailed information at their disposal. Otherwise, data collection may turn out to be individual for every issue and time consuming. Let's take another look at the examples from different industries. A healthcare provider compares patients' response to a promotional campaign in different regions. A retailer drills the sales down to subcategories. Another flashback to our BI projects. In the healthcare industry, customer segmentation coupled with several filter applied like diagnoses and prescribes medications allowed measuring the risk of hospitalization. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics tells what is likely to happen. It uses the finding of descriptive and diagnostic analytics to detect tendencies, clustered and exceptions, and to predict future trends, which make it a valuable tool for forecasting. Despite numerous advantages that predictive analytics brings, it is essential to understand that forecasting is just an estimate, the accuracy of which highly depends on data quality and stability of the situation. So it requires a careful treatment and continuous optimization. Thanks to predictive analytics and the predictive approach it enables, a telecom company, for instance, can identify the subscriber who are most likely to reduce their spend and trigger targeted marketing activities to remedies. A management team can weigh the risk of investing in their company's expansion based on cash flow analysis and forecasting. Prescriptive analytics. The purpose of prescriptive analytics is to literally prescribe what action to take to eliminate the future problem or take full advantage of promising trend. An example of prescriptive analytics from our project portfolio: a multinational company was able to identify opportunities for repeat purchases based on customer analytics and sales history. This state of art type of data analytics requires not only historical data but also external information due to the nature of the statistical algorithms. Besides, prescriptive analytics uses sophisticated tools and technologies like machine learning, business rules, and algorithms, which makes it sophisticated to implement and manage. That is why, before deciding to adopt a prescriptive analytics, a company should compare required efforts versus an expected added value. Advantages of big data analytics. Errors within the organization are known instantly. Real-time insights into error helps company to reduce quickly to mitigate the effect of an operational problem. This can be save the operation from failing behind or failing completely, or it can be save your customers from having to stop using your products. New strategies of your competition are noticed immediately. With real-time big data analytics, you can stay one step ahead of the competition or get notified the moment you direct competitor is changing strategies or lowering its prices. For example, service improves dramatically, which could lead to higher conversion rate and extra revenue. When organizations monitor the products that are used by its customers, it can proactively respond to upcoming failures. For example, cars with real time sensors can notify before something is going wrong and let the driver know that the car needs maintenance. Fraud can be detected the moment it happens, and proper measures can be taken to limit the damage. The financial world is very attractive for Q with a real-time safeguard system. Attempting to hack into your organization are notified instantly. Your IT security department can take immediate appropriate action. Cost saving. The implementation of real-time big data analytics tools may be expensive. It will eventually save a lot of money. There is no waiting time for business letters and in-memory databases. Also reduce the burden on a company's overall IT landscape. Better sales insights, which could lead to additional revenue. Real-time analytics tell exactly how your sales are going, and in case an internet retailer sees that a product is doing extremely well, it can take action to prevent missing out or losing revenue. Keep up with customer trends. Insight into competitive offering, promotional or your customer movements provides valuable information regarding coming and going customer trends. Faster decisions can be made with real-time analytics that better suit for the current customer. Challenges of big data analytics. It requires a special computer power. The standard version of Hadoop is at the moment not yet suitable for real-time analysis. New tools need to be bought and used. There are, however, quite some tools available to do the job, and Hadoop will be able to process data in real time in the future. Using real time insights require a different way of working within your organization. If your organization normally only receives insights once a week, which is very common in a lot of organizations, receiving these insights every second will require a different approach and way of working. Insights required action, and instead of acting on a weekly basis, this action is now in real time required. This will have an effect on the culture. The objective should be make your organization an information centric organization. So today we have seen what is the big data analytics, what type of big data analytics available, what are the services, and we have also seen the advantage and challenges of the big data analytics. To get more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Automation Tech Guru. Thank you.